The Ministry of Education officials listing its detailed plan to address learning recovery lost by children as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the Ministry of Education, Technical and Vocational Training, the Honorable Glenys Hannah Martin, some 40,000 children in the public education system have been negatively impacted. It is estimated that 80% of primary school children throughout the Caribbean are unable to understand a simple written text following 2 years of intermittent lockdowns that led to virtual education. With a learning crisis long before the COVID-19 pandemic, Minister Martin believes a problem was just made worse now. And she says education officials have engaged the services of an American company to diagnostically test students in an effort to ultimately address the problem.
Over the last several days, we have engaged stakeholders nationally. We've met with thousands, literally thousands of stakeholders, administrators, unions, teachers, parents. The intent of this very important exercise is to test, measure, and design acceleration programs. This will allow, the data will allow our teachers in the classroom to have the empirical data as to where each individual child is placed and to designate remediation or acceleration programs based upon the outcome of those tests.
Now, Renaissance Learning Incorporated won the bid over 5 companies to conduct the diagnostic testing. Acting Director of Education Dominique McCartney-Russell is optimistic of its success.
The process has already started. We have been looking at our device inventory as well as our connectivity inventory. And so we are seeking to provide training for our team members in the next 2 weeks. We want to ensure that they know how to assess the children. And once that is completed, in February, we're going to start with the assessments. We are going to seek to provide at least 2 assessments. Each assessment will be 20 minutes, and then remediation will be applied. And that remediation will come from Renaissance, but Renaissance will also provide strategies for our teachers. So we will assess, remediate, assess, remediate. We're hoping to complete this particular process by the end of June.